Easily create custom window treatments you've always wanted. TraceShaper is the precision fabric shaping tool that makes it possible. With this patented slide and trace system, you simply slide, position, and trace the form to size and shape custom valances for any window size, shape, or configuration. Use the same reusable TraceShaper throughout your home, adjusting span, shape, and fabric to create custom valances for different rooms, windows, and layouts. Fusible backing and lining create crisp, structured panels with a professional finish. Add trim to complete the shaped edge and slide the finished valance onto a simple curtain rod, then hang. The Signature Design Companion gives you designer-level guidance at a glance for polished custom results. Step-by-step video tutorials guide you from fabric selection to finished custom valance. Create custom valances with professional shape, structure, and finish. Traceable Designer is powered by the TraceFit System, a patented slide and trace method for creating custom valances with ease.